it's Vikki. I'm back again. Woo woo. Hair is out. Okay, so this week I am doing a whipped shea butter lotion for hair and skin. And so I have a bunch of shea butter here. So this is my basically my trial run for making this. I ordered some really high-end shea butter and other butters and stuff that I want to put together, but unfortunately it's kind of back ordered and it's not essential, which I feel like lotion would be essential, but okay. So I have to wait until that comes in, but I was able to find some other shea butters to experiment with to get it right. And I'm going to make my DIY shea butter, whipped shea butter, which I really like whipped shea butter. And yeah, so I was watching a YouTube tutorial and the woman was making the shea butter. And first of all, her voice is the most soothing thing ever. So I'll link a link in the description to her video so you can see how she does it. So I'm basically gonna do how she does it. There's no real ingredients. I mean, not real ingredients. There's no real measurements. So I'm basically just gonna feel it out. So here's probably like maybe 20 ounces of shea butter, raw shea butter. And what she did in her video is that she had hot water. Woo! And I'm just gonna put this in the hot water. And that's how she melted hers. Instead of doing like the double boiler and potentially messing up whatever. So I'm gonna let that sit for a second. It's like boiling hot. And what I'm gonna put in mine is some of the same ingredients she put. So I'm gonna have avocado oil. Can you see it? Can you see it? I thought I had grapeseed oil, but I don't. So I'm just gonna put almond oil. I have tea tree oil. I'm gonna put some mango fragrance in it. Aloe vera juice. And I have coconut oil, but this is only a little bit left, so I'm gonna use this in here. So this is probably gonna take a minute, and until this starts to really, yeah, I see it melting at the bottom. So I'm gonna come back after this is after this has been in the water for a bit and melts down. And then I'm going to add the other oil. So I'll be right back. I just wanted to show a little bit of it melting. You guys can kind of watch this. Whoops. Just lost a whole bunch. Okay. Some more. Okay guys, I'm back. I think this is pretty well incorporated. It has some spillage over the sides, but then that's good because it didn't go onto my tablecloth runner, which I need to wash this because I still have stains that I think are not coming out. So, okay. So first let's put the coconut oil. How much is even left in here? Ooh. There's barely anything left. Okay. There's like nothing. That wasn't even 2 tablespoons. Okay, here we go. Bloop. My hair does really well with coconut, so one more for good luck. Okay, so there's your coconut oil. We're gonna put some almond oil. Not too much of that, just a little splash. Some avocado oil. 1, 2. Woo! Since we did the almond oil, so some aloe vera juice. Could I have made it myself? Yes. Did I not want to? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then some tea tree oil. So okay, so that's gonna get annoying quick. Can I take this out? I was so proud of myself because I was like, oh, I'm gonna be so prepared. I'm gonna have all this stuff. Okay, that's gonna break my nail. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm like, I want a good amount of tea tree oil. Plus I like the smell of tea tree oil. It's kind of like pepperminty. Alright, there's your tea tree oil. And last but not least, mango. Scented to counteract. Does it say directions on here? Does it say how many you should put? No, it doesn't really. I guess it depends on how much you want. They're like, Vikki, you're putting too much. Maybe. Okay. Alright, so let's do a stir. Yeah, you can really smell that tea tree. That really just like opens things up. The mango's coming through. Okay, let me just, I'm about to buy more of that. How much did I just use? Oh, right? Oh, I barely used anything. So. I want it mango-y. I want to buy passion fruit too. I think a passion fruit mango would smell amazing. You're like, Vikki, why are you holding the spoon like that? Because. I'm just gonna stir it around, make sure everything is good to go. And I'll probably add a little bit more mango. Okay, so this part is now, this goes in the fridge for 30 minutes to set, and then I'll whip it. So I'll be back. My hands smell like mango, and we're gonna kind of put everything away except for just the mango and put this in the fridge. All right, stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm back, and this has been in the fridge for way more than 30 minutes. I don't even know how many hours. I broke it up a little bit so I can get it out of here. I don't know what that water is at the bottom, but okay. Let's see. Alright. There we go. So this part is when you get your hand mixer out. Let's see how soft it is. Just gotta get it off the spoon. Well, my hands will be really moisturized by the end of this. So I'm supposed to use the hand mixer to whip it up. Apparently it could take like 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna get it started and then pause and then come back when it's like more whipped. And I'll probably add more. Oh, what did I do again? I didn't plug it in. I don't know why I keep doing that. What's this plug to? Okay, well I just unplugged whatever that was. Make sure I plug that in again. There we go. This will be interesting. Baby, come on, stick with me now. Go on, break down this one big piece. There we go. And now that all the pieces are broken up, it's now going to go for 15 minutes. Alright, I'll be back. Stay tuned. So my hand mixer died, considering that the hand mixer is probably 15 years old, maybe older. Yeah, it had a long life. I'm gonna miss you, Betsy. I'm gonna miss you. You've made many cakes and things with me, and all the cookies, all the cupcakes are gone. So instead, I had to go to my food processor and use that instead. I have an empty jar container, and ooh, look how like creamy and smooth that is. I'm gonna transfer it here. Probably have to do a couple other containers as well, because obviously as you whip it, it gets bigger. So we're gonna have a few different containers to have my very whipped Shea Moisture, a very whipped DIY shea butter. So I'm gonna rub some, even though it's like all over my hand already. Doop. Maybe not so much. Doop. Put a little bit right here. And it just goes right in. This is great for your skin. Here, I'll get a little bit closer. Let me just pull my skirt down so you don't see all my goodies. Oops, sorry, kick the camera. See my hand? Whoop, whoop, doop. Whoop. Rub it all in. Oh, rub it all on my hands. It's not really, the mango's not really coming through. It's more the tea tree, but that's okay, because that smells good anyway. Very, more of a pepperminty smell. Moisturized hands. So, guys, I hope you, wait, let me come back. I'm sorry. I'm back. So, I hope you've enjoyed this DIY. If you do your hand mixer, make sure it's not going on 25,000 years old. And I hope you've enjoyed this. Stay tuned for whatever I make next. We shall see. But it came out great. So, like always, like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below if there's something you want me to try. Because I have all the time in the world during this quarantine. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye.